AlkaLean is marketed as a supplement that supposedly helps with weight loss, supports metabolism, and promotes better overall wellness. But the real question is, are the weight loss claims actually real? Now, to be fair, some ingredients commonly found in wellness and weight management supplements may play a role in energy balance or appetite support, but that does not automatically mean dramatic results happen. What it does well may support healthy habits. Some people become more aware of diet and exercise when starting a wellness routine. Convenient to use. Supplements are usually simple to add into a daily routine. Where the hype falls apart, it will not magically burn fat. This is the biggest issue. Supplements alone rarely create major weight loss. Results vary heavily between people. Age, diet, activity level, sleep, and overall health all matter. Research on ingredients can be mixed. Some ingredients show small effects, while others have limited evidence. So, are AlkaLean's weight loss claims real? Short answer: possibly to a limited extent, but not in the dramatic way ads may suggest. It may provide support as part of a broader routine, but expecting major weight loss from the product alone is likely unrealistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.